How to add music in VN Video Editor. Now, in order to do that, just simply create a project or edit at very first. I have this default created, so I'll open this one. Now, in order to add music, you just simply need to tap into this tap to add music section, and after tapping in there you will get three options. First one is to add music, second one is effect, and third one is record. Now you just simply have to choose the first one and proceed with it. You can allow music from your device, just simply tap to allow if you want to, or you can get this default music from application itself. Just simply choose any of the music that you would like to add. First of all, you need to download the music which you would like to add, and after completing the download you will get this use button. Tap to use button and it will be added to your video after checking this mark. Now, as you can see here, the music is added into the video. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.